Hi everyone. Everything I'm about to show you in this video has been reviewed by the mechanics at the shop where I am right now, so relax. We're going to fix your vehicle's issue together. If your Ford displays the message tire pressure sensor fault, it doesn't automatically mean you have a flat tire or that your car is about to leave you stranded. What's really happening is that the TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, which monitors your tire pressure, is unable to properly communicate with one or more sensors. In simple terms, the vehicle stopped receiving reliable information and prefers to warn you rather than ignore a potential problem. Many times, this starts after something as simple as inflating the tires, replacing them, or even due to temperature changes. Several mechanics here at the shop have told me the message appeared suddenly even though the pressures were perfect. This happens because the system needs time to update its data, and if it doesn't clearly recognize the signal from the sensors, it triggers the warning as a precaution. Here's where one of the most common causes comes in: weak or faulty sensor batteries. These sensors run on small internal batteries that don't last forever. When they start to fail, the sensor may stop sending a signal. It's like a remote control with a dying battery. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, and the car gets confused because it doesn't know whether to trust the information. It becomes even more common when the message appears after rotating or replacing tires. Many mechanics have found that the system needs a process called a relearn, which basically teaches the vehicle where each sensor is located. If that process isn't performed, the vehicle knows sensors are present but doesn't know which one is in which position, so it displays the fault message. There are also cases where the issue comes from low-quality or incompatible aftermarket sensors. Some mechanics have installed cheaper sensors that seem to work at first, but the system started failing later. This happens because the vehicle's module expects very specific signals, and if the sensor doesn't meet those exact specifications, the system ignores it and triggers the warning. As people investigated further, they discovered that sometimes the issue isn't the sensor itself, but a communication problem with the vehicle's control module or a temporary electronic glitch. In some cases, simply resetting the system or scanning the car with a diagnostic tool helped identify the faulty sensor or restore proper communication.